I have a cluster of crepe myrtles that are about 75 years old. They are roughly 15 feet tall. I have thinned them several times. This year, the tops of some of them are dying. I don't see any fungus or any diseases. Could this be the end of their lifespan? And this is Joe, Collierville, Tennessee. This is a question we've gotten
constantly.
all year.
All year.
About the crepe myrtles.
Joe,
Right.
I think your crepe myrtles still have a chance.
They got a chance.
But the tips, with a lot of tip dieback from a late freeze, or actually it was an early freeze we had in November.
November, right.
Yeah, and anybody that has a crepe myrtle, you're going to see this. You can drive in Germantown, you can drive up and down Wolf River Boulevard where we have lots of crepe myrtles and the tops are dying back. I'm the city arborist for Germantown, natural resource manager, so I'm being patient. And Joe, I'm trying to communicating this with you on what I would do. I'm being patient. If I have the opportunity to prune some of them, the dead out, I'm going to do that. If not, I'm just going to wait until that new growth comes out, and then next year I'll probably prune. I'm dealing with the ugly right now, though.
Okay.
There was one crepe myrtle that we had on Forest Hill, Irene. It was really, really hit hard, and it was a big one. It was probably 20 inches in full diameter.
Okay, good size.
And so what I had asked Public Works to do in Germantown was just cut it to the ground. And you know crepe myrtles, they'll spring back. So I'm going to let this crepe myrtle coppice back out, meaning that the sprouts are going to come off the trunk that I cut. And then at that point, I got me a brand new crepe myrtle, and I'm going to manage the stems that I want to keep.
Select those stems that you want to keep. Yep.
Because you know what's right in front of that crepe myrtle I cut down? It's a welcome to Germantown sign.
Oh, okay.
So I don't need an ugly crepe myrtle at the welcome to Germantown sign.
Right, I understand. I definitely understand.
We're starting over.
But that's the problem, yeah. If you remember back in November, we had warm temperatures and all of a sudden the bottom fell out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and those trees just didn't have a chance to harden out.
They did not.
Harden off. So that was the problem. And then of course, I think it was back in March or April, there was another, another frost, and it did a lot of damage.
Just something we have to deal with.
Patience, right? Patience. Prune out what you can, be patient. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.